Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make double LED flasher. To make this circuit you will need LED 2 pieces, capacitors 47 UF 2 pieces, resistors 47k ohms 2 pieces, resistors 470 ohms 2 pieces, and transistor BC pipe for 8 2 pieces. Let's get started. Get a metal wire and solder 470 ohms resistor with it. After that, solder 2 pieces of 47k ohms resistors with it, and then solder 470 ohms resistor. Now cut all the extra length of pins. Now get two LEDs and solder the positive pins of LEDs with 470 ohms resistors. Now get two 47 UF capacitors and solder the negative pins with 47k ohms resistors and the positive pins with LEDs. Solder emitter of first transistor with the positive pin of first capacitor, and collector of second transistor with the positive pin of second capacitor. Now solder the bases of both transistors with both capacitors. And at last connect the collector and emitter of both transistors with a wire. And you are done. Now supply 9V power. Please like, share and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.